A nice gift this week is the weather. If you like warm weather, right, Melissa?
Yeah, if you like warm weather, this is the summer for you. It just will not end. Of course, summer doesn't officially end until September 22nd, but it's going to keep going in a big way. Yesterday, not so much. Pretty typical early September weather. It was 82 in Eugene, 83 in Roseburg, 70 out along the south coast, and 81 yesterday in Bend. So pretty comfortable. In fact, that high of 82, that's just 2 above average for this time of year. But check out the record 103 set on yesterday's date back in 1988. Just a reminder of what the potential is this time of year. Again, not only do we still typically climb into the 90s this time of year, it's possible that we can get all the way back into those triple digits. Not today, though. Today we are seeing some morning cloud cover. Weak front move through to the north of us overnight. That brought some showers, even thunderstorms yesterday afternoon up near Seattle. For us, it's just some cloud cover, some cooler temperatures, and we'll get right back to those sunny skies for the second half of the day. 45 right now at the Eugene Airport, so it is a chilly start. You're down to 43 in Bend. A little bit warmer in Roseburg at 53, and head out to the coast just 55 for you there this morning. Again, we have this little trough of low pressure that's moving through, and that's what's allowed that cooler air mass to move down from the north. But that's going to continue to slide to the east today, and by tomorrow, a large ridge of high pressure is going to start to move in over the Pacific Northwest. We also have high pressure at the surface sitting just offshore, and on top of that, we're also going to see what we call a thermal trough moving up from Northern California. That is what we need to really bring in that hot weather as we get strong east winds under a thermal trough. So all that to say, warm weather Thursday all the way through Sunday. Let's talk about some records for a moment. This is the hottest summer on record to date. Again, we still have a few weeks to go, but it's also been the hottest July through August on record here in Eugene. It's going to be even hotter Thursday through Sunday, and it is likely that we will break that record for the number of 90-degree days in a given summer season. We need one more day at 90 to tie the record, 2 more days to break the record, and that is looking likely at this point. Taking a look at Stormcast over the next 48 hours. Again, we've got that cloud cover this morning, but we clear out this afternoon as high pressure moves in. We continue to stay clear for the remainder of today, but also for all of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even for the Oregon coast. Those clouds are well offshore as east winds start to move in. That will also mean, though, that smoke from the Fire and Oak Ridge will likely start to move back into the valley. But for the coast today, nice and mild, mid to upper 60s. A cloudy start, but it is going to be a sunny finish. For the Umpqua Basin, you're headed back to the low 80s. Rather pleasant for you out there today. For the Cascades, it's mid 60s, 70s into the foothills. For Central Oregon, upper 60s for you. And for the valley, again, not bad. We're headed back to the upper 70s today. A cloudy start, but it's going to be a sunny school day, at least by lunchtime and for that trip back home. And here's what you can expect over the next 7-day stretch. For those of you along the coast, 69 on Thursday, and then that heat really cranks in for Friday and Saturday, bringing temperatures back to the mid 70s. Head inland just a few miles and you'll be back into the 80s. For the Umpqua Basin, soaring past the 80s to the 90s tomorrow, and then we're talking upper 90s for both Friday and Saturday. For the Cascades, it's a return to the upper 70s here at the end of the week. And for the Willamette Valley, 79 today, 89 on Thursday, and then it's mid 90s for Friday and Saturday. Wow. Sunny skies overhead, but again, we're going to have to watch that wildfire smoke likely moving into the valley. Also, the air quality is likely to deteriorate here at the end of the week. We'll keep you updated.
All right, thank you.